English for all learners. Contractions. Present simple tense. I'm, you're, he's, she's, it's, we're, they're. Here are some examples. They're in the cinema. She's a manager. Present simple tense, negative forms. I am not. You aren't. He isn't. She isn't. It isn't. We aren't. They aren't. I don't. You don't. He doesn't. She doesn't. It doesn't. We don't. They don't. Here are some examples. He isn't a young man anymore. We aren't at home now. Past simple tense, negative forms. I wasn't. You weren't. He wasn't. She wasn't. It wasn't. We weren't. They weren't. I didn't. You didn't. He didn't. She didn't. It didn't. We didn't. They didn't. Here are some examples. It wasn't a good day for her. They didn't go to school yesterday. Future simple tense. I'll, you'll, he'll, she'll, it'll, will, they'll. I think they'll be happy together. She'll be a doctor one day. Future simple tense, negative forms. I won't. You won't. He won't. She won't. It won't. We won't. They won't. He won't sing tonight. I won't go to the park tomorrow. Present perfect tense. I've, you've, he's, she's, it's, we've, they've. I've seen her before. He's done his homework. Present perfect tense negative forms. I haven't. You haven't. He hasn't. She hasn't. It hasn't. We haven't. They haven't. We haven't been to Paris yet. It hasn't arrived yet. Past perfect tense. I'd, you'd, he'd, she'd, it'd, we'd, they'd. She'd been to Istanbul before she moved to Turkey. Past perfect tense negative forms. I hadn't. You hadn't. He hadn't. She hadn't. It hadn't. We hadn't. They hadn't. It hadn't rained like this before. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel. English for all learners.